Hey, we'll implement the logout functionality. We'll finish the class for the day. And implement the logout. I think we done the most of the work. Already login success means what? What page you're getting? Home page. Because your login success, you are navigating to home page. So all the main point is there in the login. Logout reducers. Go for the login.jsx. Yeah. If username dot current dot value, which is triple equal to one other, password triple equal to one other, @123, then we are dispatching to where login reducer. Login reducer is there in the store. By giving input is what username. Username dot current dot value. We are once if it successfully logged in and navigating to what page guys here? Navigating to what home page, right? That's good. That we done the previous class. If anything is wrong, username password are wrong means what? Else block. Else block what the message you're getting. Your credential success are wrong. Wrong. You please check once, right? Good. That is the point. And now see, the thing is like, we done with the code properly. Once if we click on the sign in form you got, and Ratan and we can say here, Ratan @123. Click on the login. I think login is success. We are getting the home page also because navigating to what page? Home page. Navigating to what? We are navigating to home page also done. Yeah, we are navigating to what page? Home page. But the point is what here we should get the menu bar, right? This is the menu bar. So we are taking the links, right? What the link are here? Home, veg items, non-veg items, milk items, cart, your cart is empty, and the orders, purchase history, no purchase history is available. Click on what? Sign in. This is all working fine. See guys, to maintain this navigation bar, you take one tag like, nav tag. Go for the app.jsx. In app.jsx, what we should do is take the app.jsx. App.jsx. These are all the navigation links you can take in one tag like, nav tag guys. These links should be there in one tag. What the tag name guys here? Nav tag. I take in the nav tag opening and what? Nav tag is closing. You take all the links into what tag guys here? Nav tag. But tell me guys, when this login should show, tell me, this login sign in button. Sign in button directly we should get, the sign in should get only authenticated is false. Authenticated false. If authenticated is true, log out, like sign out, right? Sign in and sign out. That's what you don't give the directly sign out link like that. You don't give the sign out link. In the when you click on the login, click on what button? Yeah, login. Authenticated, you written the login reducer, right? Login reducer, you written what? Authenticated, right? Authenticated true or what? False. Or what? Yeah, false. Then we should do like here. You please get the that authentication status. Authentication status and authentication username. Tell me, you need to get what? Authentication status and authentication username. To get that values, guys, we write one small piece of code. You need to store.jsx file is there, no? The store.jsx file. This is a store.jsx file. Yeah, in the store.jsx file, you got the reducer, like slice. In the slice, initial state is what? Is authenticated under user. See, guys, now in app.jsx file, routing is there. App.jsx, what file we have? Routing. In app.jsx, what I should do? Tell me, in app.jsx, what file are app.jsx? In app.jsx, what I should get? Login, sign in button directly showing the when authenticated is false or authenticated false. It means the store contains authentication slice contains initial state with how many values? Two values. What are two values? Is authenticated and user. From the store, you get that state. If from the store get the state. Tell me from the store how to get the state? Use selector. Use selector of tell me guys. Use selector of what? State arrow. Tell me state dot state dot what? State dot what? State dot cart. Auth we have to get because you given the name is like here like store.jsx. What is the configuration time? You can check it here. Yeah, exactly. What you have to give? Nice. You have good fellows actually. So you can click on what? Auth. Just you can click on that. Once if we get the auth contains like once auth contains state. That state is one value, two values, sir. Two values because which contains like auth state here. Auth contains like auth contains initial state. What initial state contains how many values? Two values. One is authenticated. Second one is nice, very nice. Go for the app.jsx. Left side the letter. Tell me guys, we have to store one value, two values are. See guys, use selector cart. Cart means only one cart. Cart is getting. But auth means one state is there, two values are there. Two values are there means left side braces is authenticated, comma, user. Two values we have to get like that. This is called what? Cart. Cart means what? Cart contains one value, cart holding. That's very good. Because this is what? Auth. Auth contains one state, two state values are. One is what? Is authenticated. Second one is what? User. Get the two values, guys. Now use authenticated and the user we got. Tell me guys, now what we have to do? This login button we need to write. Let me remove the sign in button. Let me remove what? Sign in. Here, what the code we have to tell me? If authenticated is what? False. Authenticated is what? False. Is authenticated, right? Is authenticated is false. Assume that is authenticated false means what? Sign out. What button? Yeah. Is authenticated true means? Is authenticated right? Is authenticated what? True. True means what? Show the. I think true means show the sign out. True means because true means what? Already logged in. Logged in means show what? Log out. False means what? Log in. Like sign in button, right? So that is called conditional rendering we have right here. What a conditional, what we have right? Conditional rendering. So we should write the conditional rendering in what file guys here? App.what. Yeah, you write the conditional rendering. In the conditional rendering in what? Routing page. In the routing page, what page here? What page we should write? Routing page. Yeah, in the routing page, you write one small logic part. What part you got? What part here? Routing page. What the page? Here routing page. Tell me guys, here routing page, what we have to do? What page? Routing page. What the routing page? Just you can write the braces. Tell me the braces. Is authenticated. Is authenticated what? Question mark. Is authenticated question mark. I think is authenticated is a false. Initial value is what? False. False means what? Show the sign in button. Tell me how to get the sign in link. just you can paste that link, right? What the link is here? Sign in link. Is authenticated like that. You can write the what link is here? Sign in link. Very good. After that, and just this is what sign in colon, and next one is what? Nah, sign out. Sign out means what the code we have right, sir. We need to write the link tag. What tag here? Link tag. You please create one link for the, what purpose, guys here? Log out. Just you can take the sign out. Okay, fine. Just you can make the sign out. See guys, this is for the login. This is for what? What button here? Log out, right? Exactly. What button here? Log out. Yeah, we written the conditional rendering. Is showing error here, small issue. Is authenticated. Is authenticated what? Hey. I think at last colon. Nice. Yeah, that is okay. Fine. Syntax issue. Fine. Guys, go for the browser. Now he is authenticated. He is authenticated true means what? Hey, he is authenticated what? True, no? False. False means sign in. What button? Yeah, sign in. If it is true means, is authenticated false. Yeah. False means I think second case we have to write the sign in. First case? First case what? Sign in. Because he is authenticated true. True means what? Already logged in. Already what? Logged in. That's what, guys. You please take one separate div tag here. Why I'm taking the div tag, I will tell you once. Give me a second. I taken the div tag for the combination of data. Just take what? Div tag. Just to give the message that, what a message tell me guys here. Welcome. Tell me what a message here. Welcome. Tell me, welcome what? Welcome. Welcome braces. Just you can make it what? User, right? Because you got the user here. Welcome user. And next one is what? Tell me here. Just you can close the div. This is the div opening and what? Is authenticated, guys. Is authenticated means what? Welcome user and the corresponding message. What the message tell me? Sign out. What message? Yeah, sign out. And you need to make the colon, right? Where we have to make the colon like this. I hope you got the pointer. Yeah, that is. That only you have to get, no? Where you have to see the message. Now we're in the component level. Above we have to see the. See guys, when you log into any website, above only I get the message, right? Welcome, Ratan, like that. Yeah, in the navbar only I have to get the message. That's what. See guys, he is authenticated what? He is authenticated initially true or false? Initially is what? False means what page display? Tell me. Sign in by. If he's already logged in means what page? Tell me. He's already, guys, his first one is what? Is authenticated first time is what? True or false? First time is authenticated, not authenticated. First time is not authenticated, right? False. False means what? False means first true condition, false condition. False means what? What is displaying sign in. Second time he's a true. True means what? Welcome the corresponding username, and we get what button here? Sign out button, right? Exactly. Guys, let me go with the file. Yeah, we got the file. Guys, see the file here. Once you got the file, yeah, just you can click on what? Refresh. Click on what? Refresh. Click on the home page. I think, yeah, home page. By default, you're getting like welcome, Ratan, because the state is by default. Sign out and sign in. Just you can go to the browser. Here we have the sign out and it means what? Welcome, Ratan. You got already message. Already getting the message means what it is taking is authenticated. Is authenticated. What it is taking, guys? True or false? Whether it is correct or wrong, keep aside. You try to get the value, check it once. What is the output you are getting? Welcome, Ratan. Sign out button you are getting. It means what? It is saying already you are what? Authenticated. Already what you are? Authenticated, right? Here you can take what? Here we need to take the, we need to go for what? Log out, right? Just ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఆ. ఉమ్. ఇప్పుడు నీకు లాగౌట్ కి సైన్ అవుట్ కి సంబంధం ఉంది, రెండు ఒకటే కదా. నువ్వు ఏం ట్రై చేస్తున్నావు? లాగిన్. ఓకే. ఓకే. అసలు నేను క్లిక్ చేయలేదు కదా. క్లిక్ చేశాను నేను. క్లిక్ చేశాను, క్లిక్ చేయకముందే వస్తుంది. క్లిక్ బిఫోర్ క్లికింగ్ యూఆర్ గెటింగ్ అవుట్ వాల్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ ఐ ఓపెన్ ద పేజ్. I open the page, click on the veg items coming, non-veg items coming. See, by default, it's showing what? Welcome, Ratan. Welcome, Ratan, what? Sign on. I'm clicking on without clicking on. Without clicking means what the message you're getting? Tell me here. What the message here? Is authenticated by default getting what? True or false? If you want, just you can do one thing. Just you can write the console.log. What you can message here? Console.what? Console.log of is authenticated. Is authenticated. Yeah, right. Okay, because you should not write like this. And you do one thing. What the function guys here? Is authenticated by default getting true or false? We need to check. Console.what? Log of is authenticated. Just you can come to the browser, right click on what? Inspect, go to what? Console. Yeah, we are getting the is authenticated by default what? True. Hey, by default is authenticated true we are getting. That's what we are getting, the value is what? We are getting the value is what? That's what guys, we should take this one into the first login page. This is what page, tell me here? Sign in. That should not show actually. You click on the sign in. Once if you done the sign in, enter the username, enter the password, enter it 123. Click on the login. Now sign in should what? 1 second, the small syntax issue. Is authenticated div tag. Is authenticated is true. If authenticated is true means what we should get? Login, sign in, logged out. Yeah, fine. Why is sign in getting automatically, sign out getting automatically? We need to check. Sign in. Equal value, you are getting the true only. Yeah. True getting. Dispatch store authenticated. JSX file. Right, wonderful. Great. Click on the sign in. Sorry, check the screen once. Yeah, hello. 1 second. Yeah, here I click on the sign in button. Check once that is a code or not. Click on the sign in button. Just click on what? Ratan and Ratan at the rate. Something if you enter the wrong, your credentials are wrong, please check once. And if you enter the correct value, just Ratan at the rate 123. Click on what button? Tell me. Login button. This one, right? This one we expected, right? Welcome, Ratan. What button you expected here? What button? Once if we click on the logout button, it's asking what sign in, right? That is only expecting, right? Good. Yeah, that is only we are expecting means nothing. Just I done the open the charge every day and ask to modify it. That's it. Sometimes some syntax issue, fine. Yeah, you please check this code. What the modification I didn't do any modification. Yeah, this one is a common, right? U selector we done state dot. This one is common, right? State dot what? Auth, and this one is what? Is authenticated, and the second one is what? User. And you please just you can make the links. Yeah, we can make the link. Okay, this is the links: home, veg items, non-veg item, milk items, cart item, address item. See, morning class you created link for the login. Now I removed that login button because that should be displayed when you authenticated process, right? You please check that code authenticated process once. What the message you got here is authenticated question mark. Is authenticated what? Question mark. Initially is authenticated or not authenticated? Not authenticated. That's what initial value is what? False. Initial value is what are false. That's what here you can go for the link. False means what? Else block, right? Else block I taken what? Link to what? Login page, and we can click on what? Sign in. That's what guys. Else block executing. Else block means what button? Tell me. Sign in button. Button here. If you click on the sign in is getting. Sign in is getting. You enter the username and password. If you enter, click on what? Login. Then what happened guys here? Login ready is executed. Authentication becomes what? True. Authentication true means just you can see. Then this first one execute, right? First one is what? Executed. I taken the span tag here. The span tag, what message tell me here? Welcome user. That is, right? Just previously I printed directly. Welcome user. If he is welcome user should display and what button should display? Tell me here. Wait, what button here? Logout button. When we click on the logout button, logout is a button basically. You can click the button like logout button. Once if you make the logout button, once you make what? Logout button, what we should do? Huh? When we click on the logout button, you should call the reducer. What reducer? Logout reducer. Logout reducer is doing what? Authentication making what? False. Authentication false means what happened then? Huh? Exactly. Authentication false means then what happened here? Then authenticated becomes a false means then again what process showing us here? Sign in. Then tell me guys, this is like welcome user. Click on the sign in. Click on this one. Welcome user. Welcome bot. Ratan. And what button is there? Logout button. If you click on the logout button, click on what button? Logout. On click event is raised. What event raised? On click. We will dispatch to the logout. Dispatch to where? Dispatch to logout. Logout reducer. Logout reducer is doing what? Logout reducer is making the authenticated is what? False. And username is what? Empty. That's what then if you click on the logout, then it is not showing anything. Just you can going for what? Login, right? Sign in process you can do. Enter the Ratan at the rate what? 1, 2, 3. Click on what? Login. See guys, message is what? Welcome. Ratan. What a message here? That is a process. So just I done the just this authenticated code. And you no need to make the data guys, just you can make just the authenticated process. You remove the previous link because above this link we written previously where as per these links, right? Again we written like this. If you do like this, then what happened guys? That's what you're getting the small issue. See, one small point. See here already morning class you created link, right? What morning class already you created a link for that. Then that link is showing, then authenticate becomes what? Welcome Ratan and logout button are showing. You just to remove it and what? Remove what word? Even refresh and click on what button guys? Sign in. Enter the name is what? Ratan. Ratan at the rate what? 1, 2, 3. Click on what? Login. Proceed. That is the process guys. That is the E authenticated. When you click on the logout button, what we should do? When we click on the logout button, on click. Online people, when you click on the logout button, what we should do? On click, dispatch to logout reducer. Dispatch to what? Logout reducer is doing what? Setting the authenticator is what? Set the authenticator is a false and username. Empty it is making, right? Then that will be better. Then click on the logout, then you get the sign on button. What button? Yeah? Sign in button, right? That is the process for the login, sign in, and what? Username, password is what? At the rate 1, 2, 3, click on what? Sign in, welcome user, click on what? Login. Very clear? Good. All the links you please take inside what tag is here? Nav tag. See, all the links you please take inside the nav tag. You please take in the nav tag better. See guys, nav tag I taken the class name here. What the class name tell me here? Nav bar class. I taken some basic CSS code guys to make that style is fixed bar. I taken these are all the links, right? These are all the links you take in the tag like nav tag. Nav is a semantic element. You take in what tag is here? Nav tag. In the nav tag, I written some navbar.css file. What is CSS file? Navbar. Where the file guys? Navbar.css. See guys in the navbar.css, just we added like navbar code for that. Just you can write the basic CSS navbar class. For the navbar background color, I'm making what? Black. Padding means what? Distance between the content and the border. And we are making what? Height is how much guys here? 50 pixel. And display which format guys here? Flex format. Displaying all the flex format. Then align items are what? Center. And justify the content is what? Space between. It means every element you get some space. Every element you're getting some what? Space. Width is how much guys here? 100%. Top is what? 0. It means occupy the entire data. Occupied what? Entire data. Left also what? 0. Left is what? 0. Background color, padding, height, display. Display which format guys here? Flex format. Display. See, once if we make it as a flex guys, we can make the items are center and justify the content. We are getting all the padding and elements are very clear actually. That's what just you can make the nav bar. Just you can see the output. Yeah, we got the data like this. Home page, veg items, non-veg items, milk, cart, order, Order and what? Sign in, right? Order and what? Sign in. Order and what? Sign in. Yeah, this is called nav bar, guys here. And we have, when you place the cursor, it is going for what color? Tell me. Yellow color, right? That is like, we have the hover. You written the my class, right? Written what? My class. Where is the my class, guys here? On the my class. My class, what the color you are taking here? White. White means these are the items are coming. What color? Tell me here. Huh? All items are coming what color? White. Margin left is what? Margin right. Text decoration is none because these are the links, right? Just you can make that one. Just you can refresh. See, yes, all our items items are what? Coming, right? Home is there. Veg items are there. Veg items, non-veg items, milk items. When you place the cursor, the color is changing, right? That is what the concept is here. Hover concept. Hover is what? Color is what? Welcome. And welcome, I written the class for the welcome. See guys, welcome dot like this JSX file. Here you taken the welcome user, right? For that one, what the class name you apply? Tell me here. Welcome class. Welcome class means welcome class. Just you're making what color equal to yellow, font weight equal to what? Bold, margin left equal to what? 15 pixel. Like that. Just if you click on the sign in, tell me guys, enter the username, enter what? Password. Then enter what? 123. Just click on what? We got this is the color, right? Some span tag, we got the logout button. And even I think this is app.jsx. We are importing that, navbar.css. Import statement, don't forget. Because we are writing the nav, that styles in where? Navbar.css. We should import that. If you remove this import, no, that styles are not applied. Again, you will get the normal color. That's what you don't forget to import. That CSS code is not imported by default, guys. We write the import statement. Import what? Data slash what the class name here? Navbar.css. Capital N, yes, capital N, navbar.what? CSS. Now we'll get what? Styles. Radha, something, something. I think one point is missing. Yeah, if we do like this, generally I remove this style. Position is what? Fixed. Then you can see the output. Now we're getting the top side. Wait, now you're getting what side? Top side. Position is fixed, guys. Position we cannot change the position. Yeah. If you remove this line like position is fixed, now see it is going somewhere. Somewhere. See, it's changing that up or down, right? The nav bar. That's what you need to make. Position is what? Fixed. Content is what? Space between. See guys, automatically it will take the space between the content. Space between what? Content. See, for example, if we add, one more link also, no problem. When we add like two more links, automatically space is aligned. Space between you written, right? See guys, space automatically adjusted. Happen, yeah, space is automatic. You given the space automatically adjusted. That is because of flex alignments. That's what guys, you make it is what alignment here? Flex. In the flex is what? Space between. Click on what? Home. Click on what? Veg items. Click on what? Nav, milk, cart. Click on this one. Above cart. Click on the cart. Click on the cart. Click on the cart. Click on what? Orders. Cart. Your cart items will be like this. You can increase the cart or decrease the cart up to you. Click on what? Apply discount. Discount is coming. And the coupon code is what? You can write the button 10. Apply coupon. Coupon applied. Complete the purchase. Your cart items are what? Empty. Your cart is empty. Click on what? Orders. We got the orders. Welcome what? Button. Welcome button. Hey, see, even if you refresh, that welcome button is gone or not, just you can see. What happened, guys? Welcome button is what? Gone. It means that local storage is working properly, not working. Nice, very nice. Working or not working? Not working. That's fine. We need to check and we can click on what? Login. It means as of now, it is working with what? Login and logout working or not working? This is like logout button you are getting. See guys, there is a navbar.css. Just I written some word tag here, class name navbar. But the dot means what, guys? Class name. This class name is applied for the main. That's the nav tag you taken, right? On the nav tag you taken what class, guys here? Navbar. For every element you taken what tag, guys here? My class. My class means what the position you written here? Just a color equal to what? Wait, color equal what? It means every item, every link is what color? White color. What color? Yeah. You change to red there. Just you can check it. That is a red color. Can you see red color, right? Yes or no? Yes. That is up to you. Then you can make the margin left texture decoration. Texture decoration is not required. Just you can remove it. Also not a problem. Yeah, we got the data like this. Click on what? Base items. Because sign in is there, right? Once if you click on the sign in, rather than what? Rather than @ 123, click on what button? Login. Then sign out will come. Like what are getting message here? Log out. See, this is a hover. Hover means you are getting what? Yellow. When you place the cursor, yellow coming. You don't want yellow now? Tell me some color. You can take the blue. Then you can hover is what? Blue color you are getting. What color? Blue color. That's it, guys. Welcome message. Message you want what color message you are getting? Yellow color message. You want yellow color message or orange color message? Orange color message means orange color you will get. Otherwise, you can write the what color here? Gold color. Then gold color message you will get. I think yellow is better. Make it what? Yellow. That's it. Font weight bold, marginless. If you want, you can write the font style also. Font family. I can make the font family like this. I think that family is not good. Take the this family better. I think something like change, right? I think you may not say proper right things. Franklin you can take. Franklin also not good. Vardhana, okay, good. Vardhana I can make. I don't know. Just you can change the font families for that. You can add the font family. See, this is logout button. Logout button, you see that class name again. Where is the class name? This is a logout button. I think logout button. You taken the class name is what? Logout BTN. Logout what? BTN. For that logout BTN margin is what? 20 pixel, padding, background color. And what the color guys here? Color is what? White. Color is what? White. That's what guys, that message is coming what color? That logout color is coming what color? White, right? Background is what? Red color. If you want, you can change the background. You can make the background is what? Light green color. That's what you get, the light green color logout button. See guys, when you place the cursor, what is the color is changing? Same color. Changing. Why it is, how it is changing? Hover. Because when you place the logout button, colon hover. How many hovers you applied here? 2 hovers. One is the you please make it as this is what? Link link style. What a class name guys here? Link style and link over. Link style over. Then you can go for the app.jsx. These all are my classes get the link style is good. Link style is good, link style is good, link style is good, link style is good, link style is good. Just you can go to the browser, then you can see the web items. You are getting what? Cart is increasing. Is increasing here. Cart is increasing, right? Exactly. Guys, that is the data. That is what data. Click on what? Orders. No orders. I think you need to click on what? Complete purchase. Once if you click on the complete purchase, we got orders, right? Click on what button, guys? Log out. You're asking what? Sign in. See, guys, when you, this space is automatically aligned, right? Because space between you given, right? Space between means what? Link to link space you given automatically aligned. Because that is a flex format, guys. Because of what? Flex. Because of flex and the space between justify content is what? Space between. Space between means what happened, guys? You automatically take the space between all the items. All what? Items. You do one thing, guys. Ask the ChatGPT that saying that I want cart button, cart count. Cart count. You see the app.jsx file. Observe carefully. App.jsx. Where you taken the cart count? Tell me. This is the cart count. This one, right? For this cart count, you ask the ChatGPT cart count. Give me some what? Give me some CSS code. Give me the CSS style. Good looking cart. Good looking what? Cart. You ask that ChatGPT good looking cart CSS code. Then it is asking what? CSS stylish cart you will get. I think it is giving the item code one more time. I think navbar code you are getting. Cart link you are getting. Cart hover you are getting. Cart count. See guys, you try to copy like that, you can apply today some styles for that. See nav bar background color, that is okay, fine, keep aside. I think this is a my class because you written the my class, right? I change it to what? Cart link, right? Fine. See, this is the cart counter. You don't think what is their display inline flux display, this top position, right position. No, we don't want this one. What we should do? Just we can go with what here? Copy up to what? Cart. Copy up to cart. Then go to the browser. Go for the navbar dot what? CSS. Go at last and click on the button and see here. This is what? Cart. Stylish cart count badge. Something like that. What the class name here? Cart count. Go to the app.jsx. Where is the cart you take in the span tag, right? Here what we have right. Class name. Class name equal to cart counter. That's all. Then you come to the browser. Just you can go for the web items. Click on what? Add to cart. What cart here? Add to cart. When why it is not coming? Yeah, that is a cart count. You are making the class, right? Import statement is done now. App dot what? CSS. Cart count is the stylish cart batch. Some you make the background color is what? Red. Whereas background color, you can make the yellow. We can see the cart component data. Just you can refresh. Click on the cart. Why it is not showing here? Cart batch stylish. Very good. It is showing or not showing? It is not showing the cart batch. Count where is you given the data? Go for the app.css and they can go for what? What data, guys? Where is the span tag? Class name is what? Total item, right? Okay. Total item should be greater than what? 0. You got the span, total items, cart count. Hey, that is the CSS we need to check with. And go for the navbar.css. We'll do this just to let me try one more time. Cart.jsx, app.css, and the cart. What the class name? Class name is correct one, right? What the class name you written? Tell me what the class name. Cart count. First, you can go with the cart counter. Total items. Open the browser, click on what? Refresh. To refresh, click on what? Home page, click on web items, click on what? Add to cart, leave it. I don't use this class name. If you are not using the span tag, fine. We're getting what? What cart is getting. Hey, that is a stylish. Think about the functionality, fine. That is getting the data. Click on what? Remove, apply the discount. You are getting complete the purchase. You are going for what? Orders, and you are click on what? Sign in. If you click on the sign in, enter the username and what? Password, enter what? 1, 2, 3, click on what? Sign in. Once if you are sign in, you are getting the message is what? Welcome Ratan. And click on what button, guys? sign out. If you click on the sign out, log out, you are getting what message here? Sign in, right? Exactly. Yeah. You just take the nav tag browser router. You just can cross check the classes once. Class names. Alexa, write the points. Take the nav bar. What the tag is here? Nav bar. Today just we can apply some style, basic styles. Madhusan, can you show the class? My class code he done different method. What class code here, Malsani? What Malsani? What's your problem? What is your problem? Hmm? Following the YouTube class is saying good way. You can go and watch the videos. Better. Better. Um, yeah, guys, if you want the project way, you can do that way. If you want hello world program, what you are saying, man? You are saying wrong statement, it seems. Is that he's doing the project like this? He's doing the hello world programs and printing the names and printing your vegetables like that. What you are saying? Hmm? Go and watch the YouTube. Better. Print the names, hello world names. See, guys, if you are doing the practice, you'll get the clarity. I think you are irresponsible and irregular people, it seems. If you are following the classes, then only you'll get the clarity. If you are not following, Madhusani, you don't attend the classes. Better. Yeah, I mean, exactly. If you're missing the two classes, you cannot understand. You don't speak Madhusani, please. You're saying like, too bad way. Yeah, Sahu. Who can understand means who are have the responsibility toward the classes. These guys are not doing even single example. He's saying that, first application not coming. Yeah, sorry.com. Masani, don't give any charting point, okay? You are not fit for the industry. Leave it. Don't speak. You are saying audience poll again. Yeah, you guys are really bad actually. If you're not doing the practicals, how can you get the clarity? Every day, if you follow the classes, then only you can understand my class. It's not like doing Amirpet stupid bookish knowledge. Masan, you're watching like, stupid bookish knowledge, first of all. Can you do this project with that knowledge? Madhasan, you tell me. What you will do? Today you can implement this logout login page. Did you finish this page? We can do like this. Click on the sign in. Click on the enter. You please complete this one. You can tell me then. Then you will get this welcome user logout button. Click on the logout. Again sign in will come. Did you complete even first example in my class? What you complete up to now? Rajkumar?
I think you are highlighting your favorite channel. Huh? You do marketing outside. Yeah, you go to the roadside and take the pamphlets and do the publicity. You don't in classroom. Better. Yeah. What you done? Show me the work. Just you can share your screen once. I'll get access. Share the screen. No. I'm asking that what the work you done up to now. Show me once. That's the question. You done the project within 1 week or not? You can keep aside. What work you done up to now? Show me once in React. Uh, I don't done, sir. Then why you are saying that stupid words in the class? Huh? Don't chat. Don't chat in the chat box. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Don't chat. Don't send even single message in the chat box. Other people, if you follow the class, do the practice. If you're not practice, don't get in the class. He's not on the single line of hello world message. He's what Ramya? What you are saying? Still, I am not doing programs. No, don't do programs. Yeah, he made it angry, Anu. The problem is he's not understanding, he's not doing the single line of work. Then you don't do that kind of messages, right? I'm showing show me your work means he's not showing like no even single line. Health issues under. This time I can make your class very simple. Increment the cart, decrement the cart. Like your friend is doing example. Very simple. Printing the your names, my names. Ratan, Satya, vegetable names. So Masani, no one will teach you in Amirpet like Ratan sir, like project. You can check any notes. See, after you are seeing your favorites are right, you complete this project, then show me. Then you are very good actually. Even I can strictly say that your sir don't know what the code I written. Okay. Present I'm working on React. I'll write only latest code. You can ask this kind of code you never find in Amirpet classes. Stupid bookish knowledge. You don't do the counter increment, counter decrement, printing the hello world messages like that. Yeah, don't do the chatting, guys. Don't make me angry. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Online people. Bye.